This is a Mercedes 722.9 conductor plate TCM, which was used in 2004 and newer Mechatronic transmissions. They are a common failure point for many vehicles, leaving many Mercedes owners stranded or stuck in limp mode. So today, we're going to walk through the common symptoms of a failed conductor plate and show you how you can get back on the road quickly. The most common symptom of a failed 722.9 TCM is the vehicle being stuck in limp mode, combined with codes related to the turbine, internal, or output speed sensors. It is important to note that false diagnostic codes for the speed output can be caused by faulty wheel speed sensors. Be sure to scan your ABS and ESP modules for related codes and verify the wheel speed data to rule out this issue before removing your TCM. There are many replacement options available for this unit, but the biggest problem is that they all require programming or SC coding, which is expensive and time-consuming. Because of this, we offer an affordable repair service to resolve speed sensor issues with a fast, one business day turnaround time that also preserves your original programming, unlike the replacements, which usually require a trip to the dealership where you'll pay the additional programming costs. Our process is quick and easy. Simply purchase the repair service on our website and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your module to us. Once we receive it, we will rebuild and test it within one business day and ship it back to you. When you receive your TCM, it will be ready to install. Simply plug it back in and you're all set. If you're ready to restore your vehicle's functionality, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.